We just are walking and there's a woodpecker right next to us on the path. I heard thumping and I didn't know what it was. And he's pecking wood. He's on a tree. That's the path. That's the tree he's up. Let's see if I get closer. He's not afraid of me at all. He's just making a mess. Oh, you can't see him. He's abusing that tree. And I hear things. You hear that? I don't know what that is though. And I don't see anything. Some monster's gonna jump out of the trees at us. Alright. We'll come back as soon as we see something new to show you.